Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make a natural deodorant stick that doesn't contain baking soda and it's perfect for sensitive skin. It's a great alternative to store-bought products because it works effectively while also nourishing and protecting the skin. The deodorant also soothes irritation, including those after shaving, and helps prevent new ones from appearing. What's even better, thanks to its gentle formula, it can be applied at night. If you struggle with sweating, this solution might be useful for you, and in the morning just wash your skin and reapply the deodorant. When I tested this deodorant for a week, I was honestly impressed with the results. It has a silky, smooth texture, glides on easily, and smells wonderful. After applying it in the evening, the fresh scent of the essential oils was still noticeable in the morning, and what's important, there was no unpleasant odor. My skin felt smooth, soft, and moisturized. During the day, it worked just as well. It kept me feeling fresh, the surface of my skin stayed dry, but at the same time, it was soft and well moisturized. And there was no sticky residue on my skin. To make this deodorant, I start with the fats. I measure out 11 grams of beeswax, which gives the deodorant the right texture so it can be applied in a stick form. Then I add 10 grams of coconut oil, known for its antibacterial and softening properties, and 7 grams of jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is gentle on the skin, deeply moisturizing, and helps with skin regeneration. I place all the ingredients in a water bath and wait until they are completely melted. It's important to keep the temperature around 60–70 degrees Celsius. While the base is melting, I prepare the powders. First, 10 grams of arrowroot powder. I choose it because it has a very silky texture and helps absorb moisture. Then 4 grams of red clay. Apart from its detoxifying and skin-soothing properties, it balances out the whiteness of zinc oxide and gives the deodorant a natural skin-toned color. The last powder is 5 grams of zinc oxide, which helps neutralize odor and calm irritation. I sift it to make sure there are no clumps. Once the oils are melted, I add the powders and stir well until I get a smooth liquid mixture. Next, I add 5 drops of vitamin E, which extend the shelf life of the deodorant and has nourishing properties for the skin. Now it's time for the essential oils. I used 10 drops of lavender essential oil, 5 drops of bergamot essential oil, and 5 drops of vetiver essential oil. They don't just give the product a scent, but also add antibacterial and refreshing properties. This mix gives a unique, fresh blend with a subtle spicy note. This scent is absolutely amazing, like a perfume, and it lasts on the skin for a long time. Plus, it's perfect for both women and men. I mix everything well and pour the still warm mixture into a stick container. Then I close it and place it in the fridge for about 20 minutes to set. And that's it! With this recipe, you will get a 100% natural deodorant stick without baking soda, gentle on the skin but truly effective. This deodorant may not be enough if you struggle with extreme sweating, but considering it's one of the mildest formula you can make, it actually works really well. If you enjoyed this recipe, I would really appreciate if you like this video, leave a comment and share. It really helps my channel grow. Thanks so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye!